How to fix Facebook profile lock option not showing. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down to Help and Support. Then click on Report a Problem. Click on Continue to report a problem. Then click on Include. In here, describe your issue. You can write how I am writing. Hello Facebook, I don't have the profile lock option on my Facebook. Can you please enable the profile lock option on my Facebook? Then click on Send at the top right. And you're good to go. Facebook will get back to you and solve your problem. This is how to fix Facebook profile lock option not showing. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.